Hello there, YouTube friends and subscribers. Today I'm in the fields near Dorchester in Dorset. I've come to some amateur point-to-point horse racing. We're going to see what that's all about. Now, point-to-point racing is a form of amateur horse racing for horses that are not fast enough or good enough perhaps to run in professional races. They are thoroughbred race horses, but they can't, or they are not qualified to run in professional races. It's not exactly Royal Ascot, but it's a fantastic day out in the Dorset countryside. People tend to have picnics. It is one help yourself picnic. Now, most point-to-point races are run over 3 miles, and the horses are kind of graded so that they face sort of equal opposition to each other, so you don't get all the good horses racing against the less good horses. And it's sort of steeplechases, so all the fences are made of birch. And this is the take-off side of a typical fence. Springy spruce stuff and birch. And the fence is about 4 feet high. Quite springy stuff. Not too difficult to jump.
Boys will be boys is the one who sets off in front from Jewel in the Park. Side Jewel in the Park. Car park side, boys will be boys. They're all safely over there and heading past the next pair in the field over towards the inside. Collinsky still well enough in touch, 2 or 3 lengths detached. So jump back. Next fence in the home straight, the Saffron LLP fence will be the last in the...
The winner of the race lines up for their picture. So just the same with regular horse racing, professional horse racing, but the horses are paraded for the public to inspect before the race, and the jockeys will come out and ride them around the parade ring for 1 lap before they go out onto the course. And again, in common with ordinary professional racing, the bookmakers turn up So anybody who feels like having a pound each way on their horse can take a chance with their money. So the point-to-point racing is a countryside sort of day out. There's refreshments, various amusements, things for kids to do, ice cream van, bouncy castles, and plenty of foodstuffs. The winning rider has to come back and prove he carried the right weight by standing on the scales. Also, the second and third riders have to also pass the clerk of the scales to make sure they were carrying the right weight. Various other bits and pieces. Machinery. And somebody selling walking sticks. Magic wands and walking sticks, fantastic looking items. Just coming up to the second race of the day, and the clouds are brewing up. It looks very much as if we might get some rain here. And probably won't affect a lot of these people because they're all country people and they're used to the weather.
Third winner on the card, one of pressure cheek pieces on the 10 time. Light blue with the brown spots and armlets. Sextet is Canis Majoris, number 1 on your card, George Gorman on board. In blue with yellow stars on the sleeves and a yellow cap. There are 6 runners. Brown part.
Thanks very much for watching, everyone. Hope you found that interesting. That was a visit to an amateur horse race event held near Dorchester in the United Kingdom. I'm sorry about the wind noise. I forgot to bring my microphone. However, if you would like to subscribe to my channel, that would be nice, thank you, and help get me towards my 1,000 subscribers. I've got a few trips coming up. Los Angeles is next, and later on in the year I'm going to China. If you'd like to subscribe, that would be really nice, thank you, and thanks again for watching today.